Okay, we're here now with Todd Daubenberger from Epicor Software. He is the Director of Sales and Strategic Alliances. Todd, what would be something that sets Epicor apart from other software providers here at GAWDA?
Yeah, sure, Tim. So Epicor is a fit-for-purpose ERP provider, and what I mean by that is a lot of ERP providers that are out there are kind of generalists, meaning their application focuses on a wide variety of industries. Our Profit 21 solution is specifically for distribution, and we have a particular focus on welding and atmospheric gas distributors. That's why we're here.
All right, very good. And if you could pinpoint maybe one thing that these distributors might not know about Epicor, what would you say?
Sure, it's not necessarily new, but about a dozen years ago, one of our customers, Wesco, asked us to do a integration to Trackabout. So we started that about a dozen years ago and completed it a while back. But we're still kind of educating the GAWDA members about that integration, about what our capabilities are as it pertains to their business and the capabilities that they're looking for.
Very good. And you mentioned Wesco. Are there any other GAWDA members that you want to shout out that you're currently working with that maybe some of the other ones could talk to about you?
Yeah, sure. There's quite a few. Rocky Mountain Air is always good to share their opinions and thoughts about the process of working with Epicor and their implementation and now running on Profit 21 for a good period of time. I was just talking to Red Ball, and they've been just recently went through the process. CryptoWeld rather is another one that I know comes to mind, but I hate to leave anybody out, but there's quite a few, but those are some that you could talk to.
All right, very good. There you go. You have a quick update from Todd here at GAWDA in Maui. Happy to see you here, Todd. Thank you for everything, and stay tuned.
Aloha. Thank you.